So you just got your bike. All you're gonna have to do is come over here and rip this right down the middle to open it up. You're not gonna have to lift this bike. Oh, this bike is only around 48 pounds, by the way.
Oh, wow.
So it comes ready to go.
Oh, wow.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove by pulling the bike handlebars. You're just gonna grab the handlebars and you're gonna slide this right out.
There it
comes
is.
in a stand already. You're just gonna disconnect everything, lift the bike, put the wheel on, and turn the handlebars, and then lock them down through the down tube. And all the tools and everything you're gonna need to do it are gonna be in this box right here. So you're gonna have everything you're gonna need to put on, as well as the tools. It comes with a little torque wrench and comes with the pedal tool. This pedal tool goes into the back of the pedal there. Instead of having to use a 15mm wrench, you'll just use the back of this tool on the pedal.
Nice.
Yeah, and then your charger is right here. This is the charger for the bike. One thing that I'd like to show you guys is how it charges. If you come around this way, there's a little tab right here. You just want to line that tab back, and then you want to put it, and then you just want to pop it in there. When it's charging, it'll be red. When it's not charging, it will be green. When it's finished charging, it will be green. Something I like to do is I like to take this pedal and I like to put it all the way back against the kickstand, just to prevent anyone from rolling the bike back in the kickstand, coming by and sweeping and breaking the charger.
Very smart.
Because that won't be covered under warranty, because that is a
user error.
Yeah, that is a user error. But if you get in the habit of just sliding this all the way back here, I'll show you on this one here. See how I have the kickstand right back here? So I will plug it in, and then you can't pull the bike backwards because it's against the kickstand. So
clever.
Yeah, so that's what I would do. The bigger one will charge right here, the 28.
Nice.
So, and then when you do tighten up the handlebars, all you're gonna do is take that 6mm wrench, and you're gonna there's a hole right here. You're gonna put it in. You're gonna put that wrench in there, and you're gonna tighten it up once you straighten them out.
Awesome.
And your bike is built and ready to go.
Sweet. Appreciate it.